Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new around here. My name is Eliza and thank you so much for joining me today for this video, as today I'm giving you a 6 months update on my Louis Vuitton NeoNoe bag, because a lot of you have been asking me to film this video. Here I am delivering it. Now without further ado, let's get started. Now before we get started, I would like to thank Eliza for kindly sponsoring this part of the video. If you never heard of Eliza, it's actually an amazing sustainable jewelry brand with pieces starting from $39, and the quality of the pieces is absolutely amazing. Most of the pieces are gold plated, so it's definitely worth checking. And they have so many fantastic pieces, starting from casual jewelry to classics and to some fine jewelry. So I'm sure everyone can find something very special to them. So definitely check them out and I'm sure you will love it. Of course, I have a discount code for you that will give you 10% off of any order that you place with Eliza. Now let's get into the video. Now if you haven't seen my first impression on this particular bag, go and check it out, because at first I was very hesitant regarding the light color of this bag, because it's like a milky beige color and I was afraid that it will get dirty and all that stuff. I had this bag 7 or 8 months to be honest, and I was wearing it all the time through spring and summer season because it's so convenient. It holds up a lot of things, and I just put randomly a water bottle, my wallet, my makeup items, cards, my phone, even some food at times, and it works fine for me. It's like a great everyday bag and I simply love it. I know that a lot of people who own the classic monogram bag, they had a lot of issues with very light interior. I have a very dark interior, like a very dark lining. It's a real leather, and I love it because you can't possibly see any stains or any dirt whatsoever. And I wasn't babying this bag, to be honest. I was just dropping things inside. And yeah, I don't have any bag organizers whatsoever, because I think this middle pocket separates the bag into 2 compartments perfectly, and you don't need any bag organizers whatsoever. And because of the dark lining, you can barely see any stains or anything, and honestly I don't have any stains. So my main concern for this bag was that the exterior of the bag is quite light. It's a very light beige color, and I thought it can get dirty because I'm putting it on the floor sometimes, but it has 0 spots or 0 stains whatsoever. I really like this imprint leather. It's very sturdy, it's very stiff leather. So yeah, and I thought maybe because of the color it can get dirty quite easily, but no, I wasn't babying this bag because I didn't have time to do so. I was just grabbing this bag and going out every single day. How good it is. The only minor issue I've noticed is the handle deformed a little bit, as you can see, because I'm wearing it as a top handle bag or on the crook of my arm. So as you can see, it deformed a little bit, but it's quite well, because when I start wearing it like a shoulder bag, it will go back to normal as usual. It's quite handy that you have like 2 options to wear it as a shoulder bag or even as a crossbody bag, but I think it's the best way to wear it as a top handle. Now, a lot of you have been saying that you have problems with chipping here where the glazing starts, but honestly I don't have any problems. All the stitches, all the glazing looks perfectly well. It's not even, as you can see, but it's not an issue whatsoever. Now the second thing that I've noticed, I have a little bit of spotting here on the hardware, but it's so minor, it's just you can barely see it. But apart from that, taking into consideration that I've been wearing this bag every single day throughout the summer, throughout the spring, and still I'm wearing it every single day almost, this bag looks fantastic considering the color and yeah, the way that I'm wearing it. I'm not babying this bag again. So yeah, this bag holds its value for sure, and I would definitely recommend purchasing one because price is only going up. So if you love this bag, because it's such a great shape, it's a bucket bag, it works with everything, and I'm really happy that I opted for this particular color because I'm wearing blacks, whites and beige mainly, and this bag works with every single outfit and it looks so classy and so luxurious. So I would definitely recommend purchasing one with with imprinted leather. But I also love the monogram print, the classic monogram, but I think it looks quite ordinary. Everyone has monogram prints, and I thought this looks quite nice. It looks way better than the classic monogram print, and the leather itself has much more value than the classic monogram canvas, don't get me wrong. So yeah, I love this bag. I don't have any problems, any issues with this bag whatsoever, and I definitely recommend checking it out for sure. Now that was my 6 months update on my NeoNoe from Louis Vuitton, and honestly I think it's a great bag to purchase. It's such a comfortable and convenient bag to wear around, and I would advise you to purchase it sooner rather than later because of the price increase. And I really hope that this video will help you to make a right decision. And by the way, don't forget to use this discount code to order some Eliza jewelry pieces. Honestly, they are fantastic. As you can see, I'm wearing earrings and a ring at the moment, and I really enjoy wearing their jewelry pieces. So yeah, as usual, if you like this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye guys.